2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Take some side, then count. Take some side, left or right. Right low, right low, right low. Take some side, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Loudly, loudly.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
Yeah, write down 35. Erase your lines. Take right side. Take right side your body. Yeah, go ahead. Next.
One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nothing. Zero. Go ahead. So,
1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
yeah, write down 39. Wait. Take left. Take left. Wait. Take left. Take left. Yeah. One line's above looking. Erase. Erase. One line's looking. One line looking. Yeah, erase. Go ahead. Next. Do next. Go next. Take some right side. Carry your chair. Yeah. Now right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Write down. What is resultant? 35. Yeah. Next. 6. 4 times 6. 1 times 7. Again 6. 0, 1, 1. Resultant 39. Means.
39.
Yeah. Next. Erase all lines. Erase all lines. Erase all lines. Erase all lines. Erase. Erase all lines. Erase. Ha. 3 times 2. 000. 6, 001. Resultant 13. All is good. All is okay.
Yeah, 13.
Yeah. Right. All is good. It's okay. Yeah. Erase all.
3, 4, 2. इसको करना.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Yeah. Right on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Right on. Erase all lines. All lines erase. Make your hanky some small size.
One, two,
Take some right. Take some right. Take some right. Yeah. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.
Addition जब भी करते हैं, when you do addition, take first right side calculation, then after left, 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 left. Okay. Right calculation first करो, left calculation erase करो, left calculation erase करो. Okay. Right calculation पहले complete करो. First do right side calculation. Right to left go.
6.
Here write down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Write down. Don't hesitate. Write down. Freely write down. Don't hesitate. Okay, done. Okay, done. Take left. Take left. Take left. Take left side. Don't take more gap within two letters. You are giving more gaps. I am saying you take some close. Your letter should be close. Take some close. Close. Both six should be closes. Take some close. Close. Yeah, boldly. Yeah, this is the way. Right. Good. Okay. Erase all lines. Erase all lines. First, erase lines. Erase all lines. और 6 का अपर पोर्शन को थोड़ा ऊपर खींचो. अपर पोर्शन को थोड़ा लंबा करो थोड़ा. Yeah. This is the way. Right. This is the way. Now looking double 6. Erase all lines. First, erase all lines. Your lines are only useful in counting, not take place permanently. It should just erase just after counting, just after calculation. Do first.
1, 2.
No. This is the wrong way. First calculation, take right side, then right to left go. Not left to right. First right to left. Yeah. Right to left. This is the way of addition. Okay. First right, then left.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. 0 is not valuable in counting. Okay. Because it comes before any number, not valuable. After any number, it is valuable. Complete.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Write down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. Yeah. Take left. Take left. Erase all lines. Erase all lines. Erase all lines. Take left. Left go. Left. 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 Stand up on the chair. Look, your resultant. Look on the board. Yeah. Look on the board. Your question was as addition 32 plus 42. Your resultant is what? Take some left side, your body. Look on the board. Look on the board. Your question was 32 plus 42. Yeah. Your resultant is what?
7.
74.
7, 4, 74.
Yeah. First calculation checkup. 2 to 4, 3, 4, 7. It means 74.
6, 6.
Yeah. Next, your question was 52 plus 1, 4. Yani 14. Addition. This was also addition. Okay?
6 had 65.
No. You are doing something wrong. Hello. 2 for addition. 6. 5 1 addition 6. 66. Yeah, means it means 52 plus 1 4 14 is resultant is equal to 66. 66 your resultant. I am saying about your resultant. Your question was addition of 52 plus 1 for 14. Yeah, your resultant is now 66. Okay, understand? Go ahead. Your question was 64 addition with 01. Your resultant is
65.
This is your resultant. Resultant means
After calculation, what you got is called resultant.
understood. Yeah. Go ahead.